Hey guys, Theo Joe Tech here, and today I'm going to talk about an interesting piece of technology that I heard about recently. Basically, in Europe, there is a new company that is launching internet-powered heaters. What the heck does that mean? There is a company that is going to be taking advantage of the heat that servers provide and actually using it to heat people's homes. So if you don't know, a lot of companies like Microsoft, Google, they have these server farms where they basically have these computer servers just running, and they create a lot of heat. And it costs a lot of money to vent this heat and keep these servers cool, and it's really quite a nuisance. But some smart people came up with the idea, what if we were able to harvest this heat and actually use it without wasting it? So they came up with the idea to actually put individual servers in people's homes as a heating unit, so it would heat people's homes basically for free. So you're probably wondering exactly how it works. So basically the company said it's going to cost $400 to $500 probably, and they install this unit which might have 2 to 3 servers in it, and it has to be connected to an outside wall. And the server is a tamper-proof casing, and it's all encrypted, so you can't just, access the files on it and all that stuff. And then what happens is the server processes all the data or whatever, and you have to have a fiber internet connection, obviously, so it's fast enough. And then the server records how much electricity it's using, and then that gets sent to the company, and the company actually pays that amount of money to the person's home, who it is, so they don't have to pay for that electricity that the server used. It generates around 1,000 watts of heat and apparently can, heat up a small room in the wintertime. And in the summer, it actually pumps out the heat. Instead of going into the room, it goes out a vent, which is why it needs to be on an outside wall. So they obviously took into consideration that you don't want to have a heater running during the summer, so it probably would be negligible heat generated in the summer. And apparently this idea is not very new, because in 2008 in Zurich, IBM actually used servers to heat a local swimming pool for a town. So they obviously found other ways to harness that heat generated instead of just, wasting it and paying for the electricity for nothing. And I definitely think this is a good idea if they can implement it well. I think the biggest problem is going to be making sure the servers are secure, because I think most people won't even care about it. But some, smart hacker people might be interested in kind of getting in there and, seeing what's going on, and if not anything else than being interested in it. I definitely think it'll be enough heat, because I know that, in the summer, just running my computer, if I'm playing a game, my computer alone generates quite a bit of heat. In the summer, my room sometimes goes up to 80 degrees, and it's crazy. I also think it might be an issue to try and maintain these things, because obviously servers break down, so if you buy this thing and, it starts messing up, are they going to have to send people out? You're going to have people coming in your house fixing the server every time, so I'm sure they'll address that kind of stuff. But you guys can let me know in the comments, of course, and share your thoughts with others about, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think it's worth it? I guess it's free heat, really, because they're paying for the electricity. You just have to pay the upfront cost. So if it's going to be something you have long run, it might be worth it. Also, you can like the video if you want. You can subscribe for interesting videos like this every week. And also check out my Facebook page, Twitter, all that good stuff. But other than that, I guess I'll see you next time. Have a good one.